Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I will be doing some coasters today with colors predominantly red because, as you hopefully saw in the beginning of this video, I will be participating in a collaboration on the 1st of December for World AIDS Day with 6 other amazing artists. The artists are Kathleen.EST from Cost Creations Art. It is Dominik.EST from Dominik.EST Fluid Art. It is Mark Radcliffe from Mark J. Radcliffe Art. And then it is Brian Siklarski. Oh God, sorry, Brian. I should have written that down. From Brian's Upper Valley Artistry. And then it is Mina.EST from Mina.EST Art, and then myself. And yeah, I just decided to do some coasters that will hopefully match the pour that I'm gonna make for the collaboration. And like I said, predominantly red colors. I'm doing this on an 11 centimeter in diameter bamboo coaster. And on the back I'll be putting some cork rounds to just protect the surface that they'll be sitting on. And yeah, I started out with this first one. As you will see shortly, I didn't really like the result. I don't know what happened. Something just didn't seem right. So, but the good thing about doing these coasters is that you can actually just pour on top of what you already did, and since you're spinning after the paint off, it there's no risk of flooding the canvas, if you will, or the coaster too much. So I just re-poured on top of this, and then we'll go again. Just for the fun of it, I'm making the little AIDS bow in gold, not in red, but in gold on in the puddle, and then just blowing it out again. And yeah, but to go back to the collaboration, like I said, it will be on the 1st of December. We do have the times. It is most of the people that are participating are in the US, and even Nick, who is in Germany normally, but he is also in the US, so that's actually only Mark and myself that are not in the US. So therefore the times that I will be giving you now are Eastern Standard Times. So that is on the East Coast of the US. So Kathleen will be starting at 5:30 p.m. and Dominik or Nick will be starting at 5:45 p.m. Mark at 6, Sarah at 6:15, Brian at 6:30, Mina at 6:45, and then I will be ending the whole thing at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just for the people here in Europe, Central European Time, it starts at 11:30 p.m. and I'll be the last one going on, which will be at 1 a.m. So I really hope that you will come and watch us. Please do. Please already go now and check out the other artists' channels if you haven't already. Again, I'm sure that you have, because they are some pretty big channels, most of them. So yeah, really hope that you will come in and join us for the premiere on the 1st of December. With that said, I just want to thank you again for being here with me now. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. It means a lot. It really helps me to grow my channel. So hope that you will stick around till the end, and I'll just wish you a great day. Bye.